If it's not being worn right away, here are some tips on U-Zip-It suit storage. Make sure the suit has been washed and is completely dry before storing. Don't store the suit in a hot environment with no ventilation. Keep out of direct sunlight and away from any contaminants. You can leave the liner attached when you store the suit. There's two ways we recommend to store the suit. You can fold the suit, but avoid sharp folds to the zipper. Another way is to place the suit on a thick curved hanger to avoid damaging the suit. If you store the suit in a bag, make sure the bag is ventilated. Don't put anything but talc on the neck and wrist seals.